Good day everyone. So today we're looking at the Friedrich in-house AC unit. As you can see, with a tall sleek design, comes with its power setting here. It's on mode, different mode, increase the temperature or the fan speed, stuff like that. See it from the side. So it looks. The side here, you see the different vents right here that you can clean, open and clean, easy to clean, dismantle. And here is where all the breeze comes through. Really powerful, awesome. Comes with a regular, as you can, 110 plug socket, so it's convenient for inside the house. Highly recommended product, especially for the summertime.